In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create AI prompts using one individual prompt, and this is going to allow you to create templates for any use case. Just imagine having templates and prompts for LinkedIn, Twitter, for YouTube.
I think what's more important is to have a prompt that will create expert content and highest quality expert content that will not be detected as AI written content. And I have just spent $9 to get exactly that on this little sales page. Not so long, very small. Read this, watch this small video, give it a read, and at the end and at the bottom of this page, click this button and buy this $9 offer. I just bought it and used it, and in a couple of minutes, I received a 1,600 words expert content, like exactly written by a specialist. But that is not all. I checked for AI detection and it says 100% human written, which is exactly 100% AI written. Now I have something unique that no one else can give you. I turned this whole thing into a custom AI agent, basically a software on top of ChatGPT. And you will receive this software as a bonus from me, exclusive bonus that no one else can give you if you purchase this using my link from somewhere near this video, either below this video in the description, or if you're watching this video from my website, then below this video somewhere in the link or a button. You might be thinking that you can do it all by yourself. Okay, awesome, go ahead. But if you think you need help and you need expert content that looks exactly like written by a specialist on any topic, anytime, at the push of a button, without even knowing about the topic, then simply click the link below this video. Spend this $9. I mean, if it's still $9, I don't know, price may rise, but if it's still $9, go buy it and you will not regret it. And on the purchase receipt, you will receive link to this custom AI agent. In a moment, I will show you how this works, but before that, let me show you what I received after I purchased. I was taken to this page. I received this 12 minutes long video tutorial. And when I clicked on this link, I was able to download a zip file. And this zip file has 4 text files. And this zip file has 2 PDF and 2 text files. That's it. All I had to do is follow instructions, copy and paste, and that's it. Since you're going to get access to this software once you purchase, here is how it will work. First, you click this start button and AI will ask you, what is your niche or keyword? We will say keto diet, hit enter. Now AI is telling me a couple of things that it is instructed to tell and asks me, if you want me to continue to the next step, type go. I'm gonna type go and hit enter. Now, AI asks me, what do I want to write? Article, book, video script, or social media post? I will say a book. Now, AI is giving me something that it is instructed to give. Basically 10 options. And asks me which one I choose. Well, I will say number 9, great choice. Here is a completed section for your book. Now it's writing a book for me. Well, looks awesome. And it keeps writing. Now, if you want to add more, you can just ask, hey, add more, add this, add that. But in my case, I want to test whether this text can be detected as AI or not. So I'll go to this website and click paste text and then analyze text. It seems like 100% AI generated. But here is the magic. Now I will type go and hit enter and see what happens. Now AI is writing an undetectable text for me. Let it finish. It's writing. And it's writing, and it keeps writing. Looks good so far. No sign of stopping anywhere, haha. Okay, looks like the text is longer than the original. Who cares? We want to copy it, remove the original, and now we want to paste the new one. Now we want to analyze the text. And now the detector doesn't know that it is AI generated, and it says it's 100% human written. Now, that's not all. Before I show you how you can turn it into a podcast, just let me remind you, that's all you need to do. Just click, 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 and type go, go, go in order to write expert content on literally any topic in the world on any niche. All you need to do is to click the link in the description or somewhere near this video. That will be my affiliate link, and purchase this $10 product, and you will automatically receive this custom AI agent as an elite and exclusive bonus. Now all I'm going to do is to paste the text in this box and click this insert button. And now this brand new system is creating a podcast conversation from this text. It will take a couple of minutes. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, now the podcast is done automatically using AI. Let's enjoy.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Ready to dig into something really interesting. Today, we're going deep, really deep on Keto for athletes.
Keto for athletes, yeah. It's a hot topic, that's for sure.
It really is. We've got a ton of research piled up here.
Guys, there are absolutely no real people behind it. It's completely AI generated. No customization, no rocket science.
And some of it, honestly, totally surprised me.
Yeah, let's hear it. What kind of stuff have you got?
Well, we're going to get into all of that, but first we got to talk about the keto flu. Like, what exactly? I asked that. It seems like everyone freaks out about electrolytes when they start keto.
Right.
Guys, I'm going to show you how to use this, generate your own podcast, and I will give you this AI agent. My own creation. No one else has access to it. No one else can give you this. Only if you purchase this baby using my affiliate link below this video. Go get it, and in the meantime, just enjoy this podcast.
The keto flu. It's not an actual flu, just to be clear.
Right, of course.
It's more like a set of symptoms, that happen when your body is switching from burning carbs to burning fat as its main fuel.
Right.
And yeah, it definitely messes with your electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium.
It's like swapping out the engine in your car, right? Going from gas to electric.
Exactly. And you need those electrolytes to make sure the new engine runs smoothly.
So does that mean everyone on keto should just be chugging electrolyte drinks 24/7? Because I've totally been there, thinking I was being all proactive, downing electrolyte tablets before a run. Let's just say not my finest athletic moment.
Yeah, the more is better approach doesn't really work with electrolytes. You need to find that balance. It's not about just guzzling sports drinks all day long.
So how do you strike that balance?
Well, a good place to start is by eating foods that are naturally rich in electrolytes. Things like leafy greens, avocados.
Okay, so real food first. Got it.
Exactly. And then maybe think about adding some targeted supplements depending on how active you are, how much you're sweating. Everyone's different, right?
Makes sense. So once you get past that initial adjustment phase, our research says you get this steady, almost endless stream of energy from burning fat.
Right. That's the dream, especially for endurance athletes.
Right. Can you imagine hitting mile 20 of a marathon and still feeling like you've got tons of energy? So break it down for us. What's the science behind this whole fat burning thing?
So your muscles typically store carbs as glycogen, which is a fast-acting energy source. But the problem is you only have a limited supply of it. Once it's gone, that's it. You hit the wall. Keto, though, helps your body get really, really good at using your fat stores for energy, and those are practically unlimited.
No more hitting the wall. Sign me up.
Okay, another cool thing our research mentioned is how keto can mean faster recovery and less soreness after workouts. Everyone wants to push harder, get stronger, but nobody likes feeling wrecked afterwards. So what's the link between keto and inflammation?
Well, inflammation is actually a normal part of muscle recovery. It's how your body repairs the tiny tears that happen when you work out.
Okay, so some inflammation is good.
Right. It's just that too much of it can lead to that soreness and slow you down.
Ah, got it.
What keto seems to do is help regulate your body's inflammatory response. It's like turning down the volume on that post-workout inflammation. But of course, you still need to make sure you're eating enough protein so your muscles can actually rebuild, finding that balance again. All right, let's talk high-intensity workouts. Our research said that keto might need some, adjustments for those quick burst kind of exercises.
Yeah, that makes sense. It seems kind of counterintuitive because we were just talking about all this energy from fat.
Exactly. What's the deal with that?
So high-intensity stuff relies a lot on those quick bursts of glycogen, which, remember, you don't have a ton of on keto. But it doesn't mean keto is a no-go for high intensity. Some people do something called carb cycling, or targeted keto, where they'll have a small amount of carbs around those intense workouts to replenish their glycogen.
So kind of the best of both worlds. You get that fat burning from keto, but then you also have the energy for those super intense moments.
Exactly.
This has been so interesting. It seems like keto is way more than just a weight loss thing. It's like a whole different way of thinking about how we fuel our bodies.
Well, that about wraps up our deep dive on keto for athletes. But before we go, here's something for you all to think about. If you were considering trying keto, what would your biggest question be? What would you need to know before taking that leap? Think about it. And until next time, happy training.
Did you like the video? Give us a like. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and yes, of course. And if you want to know how our beginner students make $1,000, $300, $500, $1,250, $500, $1,000, $500, $650 commission with a 99% done for you system, check the link in the description for a free training about our system. We'll see you inside.